Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger here, Power Auto Media at PRI with my man Dick Boyer from PBM. And you know what's really exciting is your catalog of products has been available business to business for a long time, but you've got some exciting news to tell everybody about.
Yeah, Dennis, for decades PBM has been the provider to the professional engine builders. In 2019, we've released our e-commerce website where the consumer can buy our products now straight from the manufacturer. That's going to help out guys that want to do their own stuff in their own garage. You can buy anything from a single connecting rod or crankshaft up to a complete engine kit to build a 632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet. You just take it to the professional at the engine shop and have him prep it for you, and you can put it together yourself in your own garage.
Dick, that is exciting news for PBM, but let's run through some of the available packages that you have for the consumers.
Absolutely, Dennis. The best thing that we've got right now for the consumer is balanced rotating assemblies. That works really well. If a guy's got a block already or an engine he wants to up the cubic inch on, you can buy a balanced rotating assembly from PBM. It comes to you, the crank's balanced. You just basically have to assemble it into your engine.
Now from there, obviously we were talking about big kits too. What is across the gamut and available?
Just about everything you want. If you want a 302 small block Ford kit, we can sell you that. If you want a 632 cubic inch big block Chevy kit, we can sell you that. Anything you want, from a street engine, a tow truck engine, whatever you need, we can design a complete engine kit that fits your needs specifically for your application.
And let's talk about some of the experience that goes into picking these kits. Now, you talked about rotating assemblies, balance, great way to up your cubic inches, or all the way up to that race motor. But it's the way you guys can take years and years of experience and give it back to the consumer. Don't guess, buy it, and be right.
Absolutely. We've got guys on the team that have been doing this for 30 years. You know, they've not really had a life other than that. So it's kind of nice for you guys. They eat, sleep, and breathe performance engine parts, so they know what you need before you even need it.
Dick, as always, great products, tons of experience, and of course, the right combination. But if people want more information, how to get their hands on this, and check out the new e-commerce site, where do we go?
PBM-Urson.com.
You heard the man, PBM-Urson.com. This is PRI, Power Auto Media.